at this is qualitative information. We're using our eyes and senses. We're not measuring numbers. We're just seeing how we feel about it. Qualitative analysis. A very important part of science. Science is not always just numbers. So what do you guys think? Which one do you think is the most decomposed? Banana. What about the paper?
A little bit.
It's starting to get a little bit, right? Did you see the yellowing?
Yeah.
Have you guys ever seen like a really, really old book and the pages are kind of getting yellowy too? That's what happens in paper, because paper is what? Artificial or organic? Organic. Sorry, let me change it again. Is it organic or inorganic? Organic. Now it is artificial or natural? Really? There's a paper tree, you can just pick it off? No. So it's artificial and organic, but since it's organic, it will decay. Plastic, is plastic organic? No, it is inorganic, and it's natural or artificial? Artificial. So it's inorganic, and it's made by people, so it will not really break down. It takes a really, really long time. Okay. So, like I said, we have been talking about our resources. So first we learned about organic and inorganic. So remember, organic means what? If something is organic. Alvin. Not from nature, that's natural. What's organic? Tiffany. Alive. So organic means it comes from something alive or it used to be alive. Like a piece of fruit, milk, cheese, things like that. Inorganic means
Not alive.
not alive. So things like plastic or metal, okay, stuff you can find in the ground, sand, they were never alive, they're mostly minerals. Now, we have natural, so Alvin already said, what is natural? Something found in nature. So natural can both be organic or inorganic. For example, sand, that is natural, it's found in nature. Good. Now we have artificial. Artificial means made by people. Now, this does not mean things that people make. For example, when we breathe, we make carbon dioxide. That is not artificial, because that's a thing, we are part of nature, we are still animals. Artificial things we build, we make, like your iPhone, your Nintendo Switch, your table, okay? Things that we make, okay? And when we make things, we need to use resources. Two types of resources. What is the resource we can use again and again and again? That's it? No. Go on. Well, recycle, we do that to them. Mickey. Now we want to do them. Alvin. Renewable. Renewable resources. We can use them again and again and again. Things like water or plants or animals. They can. Yes, we're going to do some questions, but I want your parents to hear your amazing questions. Or you can show your parents how much paper you guys waste and how you're learning about proper use and recycling and all the paper you waste on your silly questions that aren't questions. Yes, a lot of, and then no, people switched it, now it's NBA. Ooh, good job, Matthew, he's all done. Oh, you're so nice, thank you for helping. So we have our question box, so parents don't know. Yes. We have, the students are encouraged to write down questions thinking about anything they have an idea about in the whole universe. If I don't know about it, I put it aside and I research it for them. But in science, or if anything, I'm pretty smart, so it's okay. No NBA, no DNA. So let's see. Oh, this is a good one actually. Okay. So, luckily, the first one. Why are hands dirty? Yeah, so as you guys know, remember, bacteria is really small. Everything in the whole world is covered with bacteria and germs. The table is covered with bacteria, your hands, your clothes, everything. But all bacteria is not bad. Only small amounts of bacteria are bad. we're covered in it, which is good because that keeps us safe from the bad stuff. But as we walk around and touch things and do stuff with the environment, bad bacteria can get on our hands. And it becomes dirty. Now, dirty can mean two things. Sand and dirt might not have bacteria on us, but it looks bad, it looks gross. And sometimes it can be smelly. Yes. So we get dirty mostly because we're interacting with the world. So plants, animals, everything gets dirty in the world. And that's why it's good to what? Wash your hands with what?
Soap.
Soap. Because soap is something, remember, you guys remember acid base, the pH scale, 1 to 14?
Yes.
So soap is closer to 14, it's a base. And what it does is it surrounds all the germs. And when you wash off the water, it slides off like a slide. That's a good one. I'm glad we did not get a DNA. Let's see. Ooh. What is this so ugly? This is just a piece of paper. Wasteful! Oh, this is a hard one. Okay. How is a battery made? Oh my gosh. No. Okay, so. It does. It uses chemical power. So, essentially, a battery is a box that has electricity. So usually there's a positive side and the minus side. Inside there are different chemicals. Oh! What happens is, to make this happen real fast, the chemicals move up and down like this when they're mixing. And that movement creates a charge, a positive charge. Not very fast, but electricity is just the movement of something called an electron. You don't have to worry about that right now. But electricity, all the electricity you plug into is something called electron moving. That's why we call it a current. We also use current with what type of thing in the world? We learned about currents. Water. Water moving is a water current. So electricity, we call it an electrical current because it is the motion of electrons moving around. So we put different chemicals in this little thing, and when they are here, they make an electrical current. And when we plug in the positive negative to a special thing, it allows the electricity to move through whatever it is that we're using. It's pretty cool. That's why it's good to recycle these, because